Alright, hello everyone. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So I'm going to go over the trade that I took today for MNQ on futures. I know this may look like a lot, but it is a 4-hour time frame, and this is from my top-down analysis that I did on my weekly webinar on my Discord. If you want to go check that out, I do have it in there. So we're going to go over just the trade. So I already did my top-down analysis, which is where I go from the highest time frame down to the 2-minute, 3-minute, or the 5-minute, so I can get in for entries. And I can't do bar replay on here, but I can just show you. So I was looking at price, and I saw price on, I don't even know when I entered this trade, to be honest. Let me see where I entered. Okay, I think I know where I entered actually. So on the 1 hour, we see that at market open at 8 o'clock. Where's 8 o'clock? Where's 8 o'clock? What's today's date? The 16th. So at market open, 8 o'clock, 8:30. Well, I guess I can just go down to, because I believe my entry was either on the 2-minute or the 3-minute. Let's go to 8:30. Yes, it was definitely. So, oh yeah. So the reason why it was actually on, so it was actually on the, I compared the 2-minute and the 5-minute only because I saw that price was going to the upside. So the overall price is bullish. So I was looking for entries to the upside, and I already had my points, my trend lines stated out. So on the 2-minute, we can see right here, this thing never saves. I feel like I have more in here. Every time I have to go back here. I don't even. Yeah. Okay, it's right here. So I see that there's a demand zone right here. And then there's also a demand zone. Yeah, so I see that there's demand zone right here, and there was a lot of pressure to the upside. Yes, price consolidated a little bit here, but I waited for price to push up, and I got in. I am pretty sure I got in on this candle. On the 2-minute, if we go over here, we can see where I got in at. My entry was at 8:57. So let's go to the charts and go to 8:57 on the 2-minute time frame, because I was looking for demand zones, which means, so that's telling me actually that I got in on the 3-minute time frame. So right here, oh my gosh. So right here, you know, since in pre-market we were already seeing demand zone over here, you know, all the way up there, and then we see demand zone right here when market opened. I believe I definitely got in at 8:57, which was, or was it 7:57? I don't know what time this was on. I'm pretty sure I got in at the breakout at this area, which means I would have gotten in at the opening of this candle, because I wanted to see price close here, and I wanted to see price close on the second candle for entry to the upside. So I got in at 8:57, which is undoubtedly this candle. I got in at this candle, and I exited. Actually, I'm pretty sure I exited when price was in between here. So let's go over and see where I got out. Does it show where I sold? So I exited. Okay, so what am I saying? I entered at 22.089 and exited at 22.157. So if we go here at 22.089, I got in. Oh my gosh, is this really going to take me all the way back? So I got in at this area. I knew it. Yeah, I got in at that breakout. And then I exited around this area. I exited around this area. Let's go back and see that. It was 21.8 something. Because I knew my take profit was 22,200. So I'm pretty sure it was 22,187 or something like that. Yeah, and that was my profit for today. I know this may seem confusing. I wish I could make this simpler. And I kind of did. So I did a little bit of data analysis where I use linear regression. So I pointed out all of the important, what do I call it? Points of market structure, the highs and the lows, and determined the linear regression. And so far it's showing that price is bullish. So if you want to see more of that, that's definitely in the Discord. But yeah, and I don't know, I'm putting my data analysis to use. I even have one over here where you implement the boxes to see how far away price is from I guess from the time interval. So yeah, so we can see that price is definitely bullish. This may look like a different language to you, but I thought it was a really cool way to display current price. But it's all in my Discord anyways. I have weekly webinars where I post every Sunday now, so this is posted on there. And I also have my top-down analysis there. So for tomorrow, let's see where we can see where price is headed for us. Let me exit these out. Delete all these. So currently price is in a choppy area, choppy zone. If price stays above here, we'll know to get in for calls. And if price goes below here, I'll be going in for sell. Sorry, I keep saying calls like we're in options. For buys and then for sells. So put that back on the 4 hour or the 1 hour so that price can look a little bit more smoother. But yeah, you can tell that we're in a very choppy area at the moment. Price is just looking nasty. But we shall wait and see what we have for tomorrow. Because price is still creating higher highs and hasn't broke structure just yet again. So we shall see. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.